Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Behind me on the bed is Ninja, the martial arts cat, taking a nice little nap. But I just thought I'd throw in this couple of clips of camp life video here with the RVs and some sound to go with it and entertain you for a minute or two. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Definitely helps the channel grow.
Close enough so you can get his fire started.